Hey, badass beautiful coaches. Hope you're doing well on this rainy day. Today I want to talk about how you can use your group program to sell your higher priced one-on-one coaching. Now, I know some coaches are kind of reluctant to do a group program because you're afraid that you won't be able to get the one-on-one feeling, the personalized support, the customized guidance. And that's an understandable concern, especially when you're dealing with something really personal, something that's very different for each client. It can be worrisome that maybe you won't be able to give the full amount of support in a group coaching program. But here's one thing to consider. For some of your clients, they might not be able to afford your one on one coaching yet, or they might just not be in a position where they're ready to invest that much money. Maybe they could afford it, but maybe they just haven't had enough of a taste of your expertise that they're sure it's worth the investment, and maybe they want to get a smaller taste first. So, in both of these cases where they really can't afford it, where they need a bit of a taste of your expertise, in situations like that, it can be useful to offer them something smaller, something that they can use kind of at their own pace or without as much interaction and without as much expense, something that doesn't take as much of your time. So they can kind of use that as a stepping stone toward your one-on-one coaching. So, for example, if you have a bunch of information that is fairly universally applicable, but that your clients often need some one-on-one guidance to tailor to their specific situation, what you could do is you could create a self-paced, pre-recorded program and price it at, say, $50, $50 to $100. So people who are not yet ready to invest in your one-on-one coaching could start with that. They could get that guidance, they could get some actual results from it. And in the process of getting that guidance, they might start to realize, wow, there's a lot of questions I have about this. I have a pretty good idea of how this works. I think I understand the principles behind this. I'm starting to get good results. I can see that this person's a good teacher. But I still have questions. I still need more guidance to tailor this to my unique situation. And then you can offer an upsell in this group program, either in the middle of it or at the end or both, saying, hey, if you have any questions about this, if you need more personalized guidance, if you need more help, here's how to contact me, here's how to schedule a one-on-one appointment, or here's how to get into an ongoing one-on-one coaching program. That way you can get your questions answered, you can get more personalized guidance from me, and you can tailor this to your unique specific situation. So that's one way that people who have an element of personalized guidance in their coaching, but who want to sell to a larger range of clients and who want to be able to serve more clients at a time, can serve more clients at a time, but without losing the ability to give that personalized coaching. So I hope you found that helpful. If you did, I hope you'll leave a comment. Let me know what your biggest aha moment was. And if you need some help to create your group coaching program, I'd be happy to answer any questions you have. So please feel free to leave a question in the comments, or to send me a DM, or to email me at stephanie@coachclientconnection.com. That's STEPHANIE at coachclientconnection.com. I hope to speak to you soon. In the meantime, have an amazing day.